Okay, welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually mean mastery. Before us is another question. Yes, question on sort. Yes, NECO 2025, question number 8. So here we are asked to rationalize this particular sort. Ordinarily, just like improper fraction. Yes, when you have a fraction like this, 5 all over 2. We know that this is an improper fraction. So as the name implies, it means you're not allowed to leave it like that. You have to change it to a mixed fraction. So this will give us two whole number, 1 all over 2. Because this will go into these 2 times. Remaining 1, that's remainder 1 all over 2. So here in sort, you're not allowed to have sort as the denominator. Yes, sort are irrational numbers. Yes, numbers that cannot be expressed in terms of ratio. So here, if you look at this very well, you will see that here we have a sort here. Yes, we have a sort here. Now, in this case, now to rationalize the denominator, yes, to rationalize the denominator, you just have to multiply this all over 4 plus root 5 times the conjugate of the denominator. Yes, times the conjugate of the denominator. In other words, you can call this conjugation of sort. So here you multiply it by 4 minus root 5. Yes, this is 4 please. All over 4 minus root 5. Now, let's multiply this now. 15 times 4. Yes, 15 times 4 is 60. Yes, 15 times 4 is 60. 50 times minus root 5 is minus 15 root 5. Root 5 times 4 is plus 4 root 5. Root 5 times root 5, that will be minus 5. Yes, root 5 times root 5 is root 25. And root 25 is 5. So all over, divide by 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times minus root 5 is minus 4 root 5. Here we have plus root 5 times 4 is plus 4 root 5. Root 5 times minus root 5, that will give us minus 5. So here, this will be equal to, we have 60 minus 5, that's 55. Yes, minus 15 plus 4, minus 15 root 5 plus 4 root 5 is minus 11 root 5. Divide by, now let's look at this. Yes, this will go with this. Minus 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 will go. Now 16 minus 5 is 11. Yes, is 11. And now this is the same as saying 11 can go. 11 is common. Yes, as the numerator. So 11 in brackets. Here we're left with 5 because 11 times 5 is 55. Minus this 11 is out now. So we're left with root 5. All over here we have 11. So this 11 will go with this 11. So we'll be left with 5 minus root 5. And that's the final answer. Thank you for listening.